In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for advanced content strategy. So we're going to explain it briefly how to do this. So you need to build your brand's brain or tone group. So what does that mean? You need to have a dedicated tone group and Poppy chat where you're going to train it to have your own brand, to have your own voice, so you can avoid generic tone of a typical AI tool, right? So you must teach Poppy your unique voice. So how do you do this? You need to upload on your tone group, group, of course, existing assets that you have for your brand or business. So paste your top performing YouTube scripts, blog posts, or viral social media posts. And then you set the rules, define your goals, target audience, and speaking style. So how concise is your speaking style? Is it conversational? Is it authoritative? Poppy transcribes and studies these files to learn exactly how you sound. And again, it's all up to your prompt here that you do. You need to set those, and it's pretty much that. And then after that, you can actually, after setting your tone group, you can actually have Poppy AI go through your competitors' stuff too, if you want. But for the most part, it is just setting your own tone group. That's a core. That's the essence of your advanced content strategy. And then after you've established that, you can now go through scouting your competition, right? So if you are interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.